This microcredential deals with electrical problem solving in agriculture and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill deals with determining voltage. Voltage is the force or pressure of electricity. Electrons must be forced onto a conductor and through a device that uses the energy. A generator or alternator is used to push electrons onto this conductor. The more pressure or force behind the electrical flow, the higher the voltage. It is measured in volts and is also referred to as potential difference. A volt may be defined as that amount of pressure required to force 1 amp of current to flow in a circuit against 1 ohm of resistance. Voltage can be compared to water flowing in a pipe. The higher the pressure, the higher the voltage. Water that shoots out a long way from a hose would have more pressure than water that is just barely dribbling out of the hose. This is very similar to electrical flow, where enough voltage is present to make electrons flow along the conductor. Most homes have 120 volts in each circuit in the home. Electricity enters a residence with 3 wires. 2 of these wires contain 120 volts, while the third wire is a ground wire. The ground wire offers an additional path into the earth to give excess electrical charges a safe place to go instead of possibly creating a circuit through a person's body. Most of the circuits in a house or farm use one of the wires to provide 120 volts from the service entrance panel. The amount of voltage at an outlet or the end user of electricity will be lower due to the voltage drop that occurs as the electricity is forced along the conductor. The longer the conductor, the greater the expected voltage drop. It is common for there to be 115 to 118 volts at the electrical outlet. Some heavier users of electricity combine 2 wires in their circuits and have 240 volts available. In a house, this might be the voltage needed for an oven or an electric water heater. In agriculture mechanics shops, welders and larger motors will be on 240-volt circuits. Vehicles, tractors, and other mechanical equipment have 12-volt systems that are powered by batteries. They are direct current systems. That means that the electricity flows only one way in the circuit. Direct current or DC systems always flow from negative to positive. Residential and business circuits use alternating current or AC, which is capable of more power. Electricity in alternating current systems switches direction in the circuit 120 times per second. AC circuits are typically more powerful and more dangerous because of the higher voltages that they carry. A device known as a transformer can cause the voltage in AC circuits to increase or decrease. Voltage is one of the more commonly recognized characteristics of electricity. It is very important that a mechanic knows the do's and don'ts of electrical repairs in agriculture.